Kizuna is a AI marketing tool like which it helps small businesses create on-brand social media campaigns and marketing assets so quickly, right? Let's check it out here. If you go to a new business, like I'm just going to show you an example over here. Then you can just like paste your URL. You can hit continue, right? It will immediately open a browser and load the page over here, and you can see that like it takes a clean screenshot and it also take like it extract what it does it analyzes the business website to establish a brand DNA, right? It like colors, font, tone of voice. It generates tailored campaign for like how it can improve your like marketing like thing, right? If you see that like we extract the images like brand assets like using unique techniques, using grounding methods, using LLMs, and we use like flow postman flow over here. If you use like we use postman flow for like logo extracting, like font extracting and color extracting using postman flow, and you can see that like everything is getting extracted and like the brand DNA is getting analyzed. So okay, right now like we're gonna go and look up a Nike over here. Like we have already done this brand DNA for Nike. Like we can go back and like look at um you can see that like it was able to extract the logo Nike.com, the fonts, the colors, the brand assets, the brand values and everything, right? So what happens is that like it creates campaigns for you. Like immediately what happens is like if you see the code, if you see the code, um if you see the code, like it creates brand campaigns for you immediately. Then like for each campaigns, it creates creative. Like first step, right? Like making the first step is important, right? Like that's kind of thing. So okay, like what is about? So it creates an hyper focused like everything, right? Like it uses the brand assets and create it. Like that's the important part, right? So like everything is kind of personalized. Like nothing is fancy or something like that. It has a deeper meaning. Like our AI model like does that efficiently enough. Um, then if you go to okay, like it'll take time to like the if you see that like the analysis is complete over here, it'll take some time to upload to um like the um sanity over here. Like if you see our like sanity dashboard, like for each businesses we create a separate business. Like once the Starbucks is uploaded, like you'll be able to view it here. Like let's take a look at campaigns of Nike, like which we saw there. And yeah, like these are the campaign Unbreakable campaign we saw on the Nike Unbreakable on. And if you want to like modify the data set, like you can be creative here. You can describe whatever you want. You can say whatever you want. You can choose from it. You can even give descriptive analysis of the images, saying that okay, like I want a person like in this jacket. So it'll be able to generate it, right? Like it'll take time. So, but we will like for now we'll leave it. Like oh, we can like we can take a square feed like for your Instagram, for like for your header, and like if you want call to action you can do it, and it gives you maximum control over your brand and like for building your marketing campaign, right? And also like we use like Postman flow for this. If you go to home, you can see multiple. Um, Go to my workspace. Uh, yeah, workspace. Like I've used like Postman Flow for this. Mm. So instead of like taking too much care about like how it needs to do, like I can quickly whip up a workflow and like put an API endpoint in that, and like it'll be able to get it. Right now I have like four like Postman workflow here implementing. So this is good. I think this is enough.